Hello, so welcome to my channel, Knowledge Academy, and we're going to learn cursive today. I know a lot of you want to learn it and have been troubled with the online classes, so here we go. So I'm going to split this video into two parts. One will be the uppercase letters and one will be the lowercase letters. And the lowercase I'll post after a week. So here are the uppercase letters. First we're going to learn the letters A through G. So here are the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So first, for practice, I want you to copy each letter about 5 times, meaning A 5 times, B 5 times, and C 5 times. And remember to pause this video when you need to. And after you do that, write each of the letters you just learned in order. So from A to G. And try to write it down without looking, but if you really need to, look and then write it down, but make sure by the end you have it memorized. And if you think you're still not ready, just keep practicing, keep writing those letters down until you memorize them. And now that you're sure you memorize these letters, now let's try to connect them. In cursive, the uppercase letters you can't really connect. There are only a few like the E and G. Or you could also connect the C and the G. But other than that, there are not many, especially in this first group of letters. So we will practice connecting in the lowercase letters instead of the uppercase. So we'll use a few of these, so don't worry about it. And after you're sure you memorize the first group of letters, let's go to the next group. So we have the letters H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and P. And then do the same thing you did with the group of letters before. Just copy each one 5 times, at least that is, and copy it more if you want to. And remember to pause if you have to. And here are the next group of letters: Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I know the U and the V look similar, but don't worry about it. And just like before, copy each letter 5 times, more if you need to. So here's the whole cursive uppercase alphabet we learned in the last few minutes. So rewrite the whole alphabet how many times you want until you're sure you memorized it. So now I'm going to say some random cursive letters, and after I say it, you write it down. And make sure you don't look at anything. So the first letter, H. Then the letter K. And remember to pause the video if you need to. And after that, X. Then write Q. Then the letter B. After that, L. Followed by I. Then T. Then M. Then C. Then E. Write the letter R after that. And then write S. And then write N. Now here are the hard ones. G. After that, J. And then finally the letter Z. For the final review, I'll tell you some words and then you write them down in uppercase form in cursive. And remember, only in uppercase. I know it's weird, but just go along with it. So the first word is dog. Write that down in uppercase form in cursive. And remember to not worry if you can't connect the letters. Now write down the word cat. Remember, always pause if you need to. Now write the word fly in cursive. Then write the word bird. Then write down safari. Write the word zebra after that. And finally, here's a hard one, the word butterfly. And if you still feel like you need more help, just keep practicing and keep writing those letters down until you recognize them. And I'm going to post the lowercase cursive letter video in about a week. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Thank you.